Have you ever wondered how tropical cyclones transform landscapes and lives? Let's revisit the events of Tropical Cyclone Number 22.
There is a bit of tropical activity going on. As a matter of fact, this disturbance in the Caribbean is forecast to become a tropical storm, which will likely happen on Friday. So here's the deal with potential Tropical Cyclone 22. The center is going to be moving across Jamaica late Friday and then increase in forward speed for the weekend. There's definitely some concern for some minor coastal flooding and some really rough surf along the way. So we're going to be watching this for quite a few days. Now, as far as rainfall amounts go, this is the concern. 5 to 10 inch rainfall amounts are possible, but up to 16 inches are possible for parts of Panama, Costa Rica, Jamaica, southeastern Cuba, and Hispaniola through Monday morning.
Now, on November 15th, 2023, the National Hurricane Center issued a statement warning of a 50% chance of a tropical cyclone forming in the Southwest Caribbean Sea within the week. Heavy rains, flash floods, and mudslides were predicted to hit parts of Central America and the Greater Antilles. The potential storm, if formed, would have been named Vince. What a name! A few days later, on November 16, the warnings turned into reality. Tropical Cyclone Number 22 was born, and Jamaica was in its path. It lined up Jamaica. The cyclone brought with it strong winds and heavy rainfall, transforming the landscape and disrupting the lives of many. As the cyclone moved across the island, it left a trail of destruction. Roads were flooded, homes were damaged, and power was lost in a number of areas, not to mention water. The system continued its rampage through the night, battering large sections of the island with unrelenting force. But by morning of November 18th to the Saturday, the cyclone had passed, leaving behind a shaking Jamaica. The storm had tested the resilience of the island and its people. But as the sun rose, so did the spirit of the Jamaican people. Despite the devastation and destruction, the recovery efforts began almost immediately. Because as we all know, Jamaicans never quit. In summary, Tropical Cyclone Number 22 had a significant impact on Jamaica from November 16th to the 18th. The storm formed quickly, struck Jamaica with force, and left a lasting impact on the island. The events of the cyclone serve as a reminder of the power of nature and the resilience of the human spirit. As we move forward, it's important to remember the lessons learned from this event. Preparedness, community support, and resilience are key in the face of such natural disasters. Remember, it's not just about surviving the weather, but also about rebuilding even better in its aftermath. Here are some video highlights for you to see.
Well, we are here at the McGregor Gully, and it's flooding over and a car is stuck. Well, this is terrible. This is not good. No, sir. This is not good. The gully come over. This is not good at all. A car stuck into it in the water. This is not good at all. Oh my God. I don't mean to see and him see it.
Nobody. Marcus Garvey drive. Every year, every
Reporting live from Southborough. Reporting live from Southborough. Wow.
Nobody cannot cross it. Jaja. Go on, tough it out in my soldier, you know. Water like Elsha. Oh, cloud, a baiting. A baiting everywhere, fuck up. The whole Marcus garbage, I fuck up. Push it, my father!
Go through it. Why you have to try, but me still can't go through it. Eh? Okay, alright. Try it, let me see. Yeah, man, go on, the video go through. Eh? Yeah, man.
We are going now to various communities to get some residents who want to leave to come to the shelter. The community that we are targeting is Westmead, Willows, Westmead and Bridgeport. Those are the three communities that we are heading towards. See if there is anybody who want to come to the shelter. The shelter is up and running. All the bunk beds are out there. Over 32.
$100 for go through, you know, people. $100 for go through, passing Mega Mart, you know. $100 ahead, you know. Just having the bills and go through the man. Them lift up the wire phone now and go through, you understand? $100 ahead. Yeah, man coming from Bridgeport and Edgewater and so on, you know.